What's up, 1K TV? Yeah. So today, I got some shit going on. I want to show y'all, because today is about to be a fun day. We're actually about to go to the range, go look at some guns, go shoot some guns. And I'm going to show y'all my new baby. Matter of fact, I'm going to show y'all two of my babies. Matter of fact, the XD, who I sold to a close friend. And I got a Glock 19, Gen 5 MOS. Trust me, it's beautiful. 33 round magazine. I got some more stuff coming for it. Just wait for it. But we're going to the gun range today, and we're gonna have a lot of fun. So I'll see y'all when we there. But yeah, I got plenty of more stuff coming. I got more videos, more gaming videos. Y'all just gotta be on the lookout, honestly. Like, I got stuff sitting, but I don't want to drop nothing until I know I got more content. But most definitely, y'all make sure y'all goddamn like, share, comment, subscribe, because it ain't easy doing this and like editing videos and. You know, bruh, it takes a lot of time. It do, honestly. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm about to put all my time and effort into this, because this is what I really want to do. I like talking to people. I like doing different things. That's just me. That's just my personality. So y'all make sure y'all like, share, comment, subscribe. Make sure to share, tag friends. I don't give a damn. Just help out. You feel me? Word. Y'all already know. You have to make a little pit stop, as y'all can see. Yeah, see? Have to take a little break before we get there, because y'all already know. Can't go nowhere on an empty stomach. So yeah, we go ahead and grab us a little something. Me and Aunt grab us a little something before we go to this gun range, Palmetto State Armory. So, that's it. And as y'all can finally see, we out of here. Alright, YouTube, so we finally leaving here. About to go ahead and get to this gun store. I promise y'all. I'm sorry I'm taking so long, but we about to get there. I promise. We about to get there, and y'all gonna love everything that's about to go on, so let's get there. Alright, y'all, boy. I know it took forever. I'm sorry, but guess what? We finally here. Y'all about to see it. Y'all already know what's going on. Whole lot of fun today. We gotta make sure we have fun if we're gonna come out here. So let's go ahead and get in this range. Alright, so let's go ahead and read this paper that they got us reading. I'm pretty sure most of y'all know about Palmetto State Armory. First time coming to shoot. No horseplay. Brass ammunition only, of course. I wish I still had my AR pistol. That low-key got me upset. But it's okay. Go ahead and sign these. Put y'all down real quick. There we go. Customer name. Two. Yep. What's the date? Is it my last? 23rd? Thought so. I don't know why I said the 23rd, but I'm way off. I'll still be forgetting it's 2021. I don't need no. I still got to sign the rental even though I don't need it? Yep. Okay. Alright. So that's for everybody. Now y'all know. Cause now I know. Oh man, I did that wrong. What's the name?
Martin Road. It wasn't saying my address. I am tripping. I'm gonna have to cut that out. I'm tripping so hard.
So I'm guessing we're the only ones in here today, which is pretty damn lucky, honestly. Oh no, there's something back here, but jeez. About to do a little shooting today. Sit this up right here. Man, shot it now. And I'm gonna show y'all something. I'm about to bust his head open. We about to see who got better. Well, hold on, you wanna put something on this? I already know first 2-3 shots I'm getting head on something. That's just guaranteed. Y'all see what's going on, man. We about to have a lot of fun today. Me and Unc out here chilling. As y'all can see, let me show y'all real quick. Safety, Glock 19, MOS. And then you got his beautiful baby. Y'all already seen this though. The XD, beautiful XD. We about to have a good day today. Let's go ahead and make sure that's good too. Empty. But today is definitely about to be fun. Let's get it. As y'all can see, like I said, we already tore that last one up. I don't know if y'all got it all, but there you go. You about to load it back up again?
I had 2 already loaded.
Oh. So you want to hold this on me like this?
Yes.
You want to hold? Let's see, I don't know, I got like 6 more in here. Let's see if I can hit from right here. I don't think nobody hit in the middle on that right one. We're going to try that. That thing smell good. Getting her warm up. She don't really get shot too much. You gotta make sure. Yeah, but y'all see, smell good because I gotta make sure it's on point. So if it's not, then they'll make the video look bad. Think you loading up? Oh, you loading up again? Oh, he trying to take the head off this thing. I mean, if you want, we can go ahead and reset. I said, if you want, we can go ahead and reset. We done told that one out. He think he hard. He done got like 2 of them in the middle. He think he gangster. Honestly, I think I do it better. Go ahead. Y'all see it. He's loading up. He said he raw. I ain't gonna lie. Your gun is loud as hell. That little shit loud as fuck. I would not. I wish I would have shot it when I had it. That shit loud. To say it's that small, that shit. We got that zombie now. Whoever get this head, you gotta get it in that circle. You gotta get it in the circle. Get it right. 10 yards again. Get it done. You know my glizzy loaded. SD. Oh yeah. Let's see what you got on. Oh yeah. You got in there?
I'm bringing that back.
Oh Lord, don't tell me he the first one. Don't tell me he did it already. Let me zoom in. Oh, you almost. You right at the top of it. You might have did hit him in that hole. Let's see. You got it in the hole where? Oh, you got body shots, arm shots.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. How many shots you had? I tell you that 2-hand method. Huh? Tell you watch this. Move that thing right back there. Let's see. Let's go back right where it used to be. Just hit go. Oh, enter. Then go. Palmetto State Army is so difficult. There you go. Tell you, I'm gonna get the hang of this YouTube shit. I like doing it. Like I said, y'all see that? Mean. If everybody saying Korean clips don't bust, I'm about to run surround through it. All out. That was 16 shots with that Korean clip for everybody trying to say Korean clips don't work. It's the Pro Max that y'all want to use. Get right.
You like you got a headshot.
I think I got one too, and I think I got it on the first one, honestly. How you that junk is weird. What did it do? Reset it? I hate these glasses because it's so pink. Yes, my baby getting it done today. She know what it feels like to get shot out of. A whole bunch of ammo there. Uh-oh, here go me. Shit. I don't think I did too bad to say I shot a bunch of shots. Ooh. That in the shit. And I would just burst. Shoot, I don't know. I gotta do a little bit better next time. But it's alright, that ain't bad. So you got one face shot. You got them hand shots. Like I said, look at that. They was all over until I got my aim right. I knew what I wanted to hit. We gonna get better. It's all right. This is the first day back in a very, very long time in shooting the range. So let's go. I better stay armed ready today. Yes, sir. That's something, man. Bunch of beautiful guns on the wall. Is that a SCAR? No, that's an MTAR. After Call of Duty Modern Warfare. Little ugly little Draco with shotguns, ARs. Beautiful selection they got here. But y'all saw that. Y'all saw that. Dang on. I suggest for all my females, start shooting more, start being out more, don't be scared. You only gonna, look, I'm being real with you. Would you rather learn how to do something or be dead? With everybody missing you. So stop being scared to shoot a gun. Go shoot and make sure you got yourself and your family and whoever else is with you protected, because that's very, very, very important, y'all boy. Y'all know that. So damn on. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, just make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe, and all that good stuff. My bad, I sound horrible today. Mouth's still a little messed up, but it's alright. Y'all make sure, like I said, like, comment, share, subscribe. Do all that good stuff, man, because that's the only way, you know, I can come back out with more. And I got a surprise for y'all, honestly. I think I'm about to start adding cars and stuff to the channel very soon. So, just be prepared. I really am trying to get all over the place, like I told y'all. Gaming, I'm trying to be everywhere with this, so don't judge me. I like doing everything. I like doing new things. I'm an outgoing person, just like anybody else. So, let's get to this shooting again, because this is fun today. We having a blast. Ain't it up? Up with tearing some shit up, honestly, bro. This nigga, listen, I ain't gonna lie to you, if he would have held it with two hands, I'm pretty sure he would have got an instant headshot. Because the way he holds it is very, very strong. I ain't gonna lie to you, I ain't that strong holding mine, but I got enough strength in both of mine where I can't hold and make sure I get off. He trying to get off of me bad now. Oh, you had a whole nother clip? Damn. I need to buy 2 clips. Well, I just got rid of something, honestly. We got a little bit of shots in here. We ain't gonna do too many this time. We're gonna be kind of lazy. He gonna be the one to dumb out. Watch. But I already know for a fact I got this. We got like, I think, what, 2 more papers? I ain't got too much percentage, but y'all about to see it for the last shot on me. Hold up. You got your finger in the trigger? Let me see. Here, hold it. On my camera? Got you. Here. gotta take the clip out. You don't ever keep your finger on the trigger because you're gonna butt. I done seen people bust their fucking hand open doing that. So next time, just drop the clip. Just let, if the bullet don't come out, just, all you gotta do is rack it back and just let the bullet fall and do whatever. Yeah, you good now though. That thing smells good. Oh yeah. There you go. Let's go. Oh, let's get your good aim side. Banger. Okay. He hit that. I know he hit that one because I seen the paper flinch. That's a new paper?
No, that's just
Oh, well, hold on. Let me hit that one real quick then. I'm about to tear that one up a few more times.
Hold on, we bring it back and see.
I ain't tear this one up no more. We've been tearing it up. Just a little last. Oh, yeah. Still ain't nobody hit that circle. Face shots, though. You shot his eye out, that boy. That boy ain't coming back. Yeah. Show him up. Show him up. Get her done. Get her done, folks. Get her done.
Alright, here we go. We out here killing zombies and shit.
Oh, I can't wait for that day.
Yeah. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah.
I want to hit that red so bad. I'm about to. I know I missed that last one, but I know I hit that red. I'm telling you, I know I hit that red this time. I know I hit that red this time. Oh, look at you, man. You about to make the video go.
Man, I'm looking.
I've been fucking that shit up. All right, there.
Yeah.
He was tearing the face up. I tried to get that something bad. That hurt my feelings. We're gonna get the next one, though. This one.
Big Ty said you can't get me.
Gosh. Next one, I promise you. One of us gonna hit you.
Oh yeah.
I
He did already. I got him in the eye.
The first one we went off on.
He did already. I got him in the eye.
Another one up here. That really hurt my feelings. Nobody ain't hit that. I usually pretty decent. I've been working on my aim. You got another clip ready in it.
Oh, you shot both of them.
Oh wow. Oh, they empty yours. I want to try yours out. I want to see how I feel. I ain't gonna lie. The way you was moving your hands, like that bitch was. Boom. 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 That's all I keep hearing. That thing loud. This little thing is loud. Say it's this small. I like it. I ain't never seen this gun loud as hell. This little actually loud. Then I go get my oil from the house, oil us up. I only got like a little bit left anyway, but we should be straight after that. That's cool. Now I'm gonna shoot his beautiful baby, because I want to try it. I've been wanting to try this gun since I even had it. Oh, smooth as a joke. Let's see where we at real quick. Oh yeah, that thing got a nice little kick. And I can't tell, but I felt like I hit that thing
You
almost.
got him in the top.
Let's see how you. It's your fool now. There you go. Oh damn! Already, he hurt. Nose shot, neck shot, shoulder shot, body shot. This one was all cut in the first shot. I had to go for that. already. Hit that boy in the nose. But yeah, like I said, y'all gotta make sure y'all like, comment, share, because this is the last little bit of the video until, you know, we do another one. But appreciate everybody who's been watching and continuing to watch. I love y'all. I appreciate it. 1K TV out.